you're starting to lose your hair, you want a doctor who really cares, who will get you the results you need from your very first surgery. And if you've had some bad results, Dr. Umar will fix you up. He can help you, yes he can. Dr. Umar, he's the man.
The hairline we used mostly nape hair in the very front to give us the soft look. As you can see, it's very soft, natural looking.
Getting your hair back is easy. Watch the video and you'll agree.
So we're looking at the temple recess, which has been obliterated here and merged to blend in with the temple points for an aggressive hairline. And the angulations of the hair are all consistent with nature. Here you can see on the left temple recess also the same thing. It's been aggressively brought forward and merged to blend with the temple points. The trick is to get it so that the transition of the angles are not abrupt and they're consistent with nature.
So make the call and you will see. Getting your hair back is easy. Watch the video and you'll agree.
That's all freshly put hair that's growing in the area, obscuring it, camouflaging it to some degree. So that's the beard area after extracting thousands of grafts. We are looking for one thing. You look at the healing. Healing is fine. So you're looking at the skin to see, is it acceptable? Yes, it is acceptable. And also look at the distribution of the hair. Is it patchy? It doesn't show any geometric, unusual patches. It's all diffusely taken. So what do you think about the result so far?
So far, I couldn't be more happier. Everything has gone better than I expected.
And if you've had some bad results, Dr. Umar will fix you up. He can help you, yes he can. Dr. Umar, he's the man. So make the call and you will see. Getting your hair back is easy. Watch the video and you'll agree. The best results you've ever seen. The people there are friendly. They'll make you comfortable as can be. Just relax, read a magazine. Coffee and donuts are always free.